Yeah, welcome back to another video on n8n, where we are using n8n, which is open source tool, and I'm using the self-hosted version, which is free. So, and in this video also, I will be doing RAG implementation. Only difference is I will be using the Google Gemini chat model, and for embedding, I'm using Google Gemini embedding model. Okay, so this is the model that I'm using for embeddings. So you can take a note of it. In the last video on RAG, I was using my local LLM, that is my Ulama, and model was a Llama 3.1, and that was too much because I believe it is 7 billion parameter. So that was too much for my poor laptop that does not have GPU. So this time I've replaced those with Google Gemini. Okay, so rest of the flow is same, so that is not much difference. So let's straight away get into the these are the sample document that I already uploaded. So how to upload? I'm using this form uploader, right? Form uploader tool, and I just uploaded the two documents. One document, the name is compensation benefit something and leave policy. Okay, so this is what our bot is supposed to do. It is supposed to help you with leave and compensation. Let's ask about leave. Mm, Give detail information on leave policy. So basically, this is what it needs to do. So, right, this is how RAG works, right? So when user queries, it converts to vector, and those will be and then the documents stored in the vector database, which are chunked during the ingestion. So those will be retrieved along with the whatever user has asked, right? And finally, LLM will generate the final answer, and it will read the vector database and also user prompt, and based on that, it will generate answer, and that is all about your RAG implementation, right? So it's okay. So it has got back with the details that we asked, and it clearly mentioned the leave policy document. So this is not that. This is our leave policy document. I took this from somewhere from internet. So it correctly read the entire thing, and it made sense of it, and uh, it presented whatever the policy is all about. Okay, let's ask about compensation policy. Compensation policy. So this is our compensation policy. So this is some generic policy I got from internet. So you get the idea, right? So okay, what is saying? I cannot easily leave in benefit policy. Okay, I think the document is not there. Maybe. Okay, I think this is that. It's some, yeah. Let's ask again. Okay, so let's try again. So again, I've asked. Let's see whether it is able to retrieve the information from this document, compensation policy. Okay, it is able to compensation benefit policy. So this is what it is. Okay, so this is what we are seeing. So it basically read that from vector database once we uploaded the document, and it tried to make sense of it, and it tried to present whatever it made sense of the documentation. So this is what it has given, and it also quoted the source of it. Okay, so all right. So this is just a top up video on the similar RAG video that we saw last time, right? So this was all about. Let's ask a non-relevant like travel policy. So it should say that I don't have the information, something. Okay, so it gave that. So it is sticking to whatever we have asked. If you see, this is the system message, system prompt given to our agent. So it will stick to that only, right? And if nothing is there, it will say I'm sorry. Okay, so I hope you might have liked it because in the previous implementation of RAG, I had frame drop issue because I was using local LLM and my laptop was not able to take care of that. Okay, all right, you might have liked it, like this demo. This was all about RAG, and thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.